Okay, we're out in Weatherford and we are looking at a piece of land that I have for sale. This is 2.7 acres. The seller was going to build out here and they have decided to take another path. So this is a huge opportunity for somebody who's ready to build. In front of me is kind of overgrown a little bit with some grass, but they have built a pad site. There's additional dirt over there. But let me back up. So this property is off a Tin Top Road. It is in the subdivision of Bluebonnet Ridge. When you come in Bluebonnet Ridge, you will proceed forward and you will curve around to the right, and this property is located right on the left. Again, it's 2.7 acres. They've done some work to the property they've added a well, so the well's all ready to go. They've got septic in. They have done an oversized septic. They did 850-gallon septic tank. They do have a large 30 by 30 shop here. It is fully insulated. It has electricity, lights. It is plumbed for irrigation. And it also has a nice side covered awning here. So if you've got an RV or a trailer and you want to have side parking, you got plenty of opportunity to park here. It does have an RV plug towards the back. Right here on the left, you can see there's the RV plug. It does have 2 AC units inside, which should be plenty to keep it cool. There's your septic box down there. And the property line actually is backed up by a set of trees. The property line goes all the way through those set of trees and it backs up to a ranch. So I don't think anybody's going to be building right behind you, but you got a very good set of trees in the back that offers a lot of privacy. You got a large pond over here. You can see it if you go out to our website. Go to bigttexasrealitygroup.com, go to featured listings, and you'll see it there. You'll see some very good aerial views of it. A lot of mature oak trees on the property. They've been cleaned up. The whole property's been cleaned up. They've got the road in. It's just a caliche path right now, but it's ready to be paved. You have electricity on site. So again, everything that you need is done. The sellers say great neighbors, both sides. Well, there's one side here on the left of the property and then one across the street. Have young children, younger families, but just wonderful neighbors to have. Again, this is kind of just the long drive coming into the property. They did the pad site here towards the back side of the property. So this is the pad site. And then you've got your metal building here. And then the side of the property line over here. You can kind of see just through those trees in the background the ranch with the horses on there. Again, full septic, wells done. It is in the Trinity aquifer. Ooh, I'll say that right in a minute. Aquifer. It is not in the Paluxy, so it's gone down extra deep for the Trinity. These folks spent a lot of money setting in the well and the septic. All that work, again, is done for you. Beautiful set of lime trees here, so when you pull into the property and you're driving down, this is just a great drive in to the back of the property. Nobody's going to build on the back side over there. They're going to have horses. So if you build here on the back part of the property, you have a beautiful view of the pond. I'll try and walk up here and get you a little bit better of a shot of it. My dogs just love it out here. They love it. Wyatt, are you tired? I think Wyatt's already been swimming over there in the pond. So again, this is the pad site, and they built it, on purpose to where they would have this view of the pond. There won't be any building on the back side of this property. These people who are building here are going to build up towards the front of the road. And this is a pretty good sized pond. And so we're at the kind of at the back of the property line now. This is the back side of the pad, backside of the pad site. Again, just humongous oak trees. I mean, these are really mature oak trees. Very nice. And then this is the pond out here. So that would be your view from the back of the home. So if you're sitting out back and enjoying a cup of coffee or just sitting on the swing, that's what you got to look at there. Just simply gorgeous. Bluebonnet Ridge does have an HOA. I will leave the CCRs posted on our website so that you have access to that. I'll leave a link here at the end of the video for those. They're pretty lenient. 2,500 square foot is the minimum build. It has to be 70% masonry or otherwise approved by the Architectural Control Committee. No mobile homes, no trailers. They'll allow you to have a trailer on site, but they don't want you living in the trailer. And again, there's just some more dirt that they have here that was extra left over from the pad site. It's a little bit of a humid day today, so they're enjoying the nice cool water. I'll try and take you down here now across the back side of the property. Seems to be a very sandy loam type soil out here. Doesn't seem to be a lot of rock. You can see they've done some additional clearing here on the side. And then again, there's your shop. The shop's 30 by 30. Let me go up and I'm gonna open it, let you guys take a look inside. Again, it's fully insulated. The seller put a lot of plugs inside there. There is a pressure builder tank inside there. So if you decide to have a bathroom or other hookups, you'll have good water pressure. Okay, let's take a look inside. Okay, we have it open. We come in and you can immediately see all the spray foam insulation work that was done. There's no wood in here. This is all, it's all steel. A lot of windows across the back or both sides. Again, there's plugs at every window. There's a plug here. There's a plug on the next window. There's a plug over there. There's your AC up here on the wall. There's your control down here for your AC. This is the plumbing that they have in, ready to go. It's just capped off. Again, more plugs across the back. And there's your other AC unit up here. Then you've got your, this is your, I guess this is like a tankless hot water heater, I believe. More plugs. You have a small roll-up door here. You got plugs up above the window there. Another window. There's your pressure tank. The concrete's recessed down here on the side, this one side. Your light switches that do the lights inside. I turn the lights on, you can kind of see just how bright it actually is in here. A lot of LED lights. There's looks like there's 5 sets of lights across the top. So when those 2 AC units are on this back wall, this should be nice and cool in here. And then you've got one large roll-up door here. I'll leave the specs on the height. It's 30 by 30, but I believe it's 14 foot tall, but I will double check that and I'll leave it here in the video. Of course, then you got your single door out. And then your side, again, your side awning here. I mean, it's plenty of room for a big RV or a trailer. And you could simply come in here and just pave this if you wanted to, or leave it the way it is. Okay, if you have any questions about this property, give us a call. We'll be happy to come out here, show it to you. You know, it's a beautiful piece of land. Come out, drive by, take a look at it. If you're interested in coming out to get a tour of the building, let us know, and we'll be happy to open it up and answer any questions that you have. Y'all have a great day.